It's spooky grammar notes. Ah, I'm a ghost. Okay, fake laugh. Yeah, you know the deal. Anyway, we're talking about semicolons and colons today. Semicolons have a few rules. Let me start you off here with the first one. We know semicolon is the little dot with the little tail, comma there. Our first rule here, A, use semicolon between independent clauses or sentences if they are not joined by a conjunction. Okay, so our example here, Mary enjoys romantic novels. Her brother likes fantasy. No conjunction here, okay? So rule number one is between sentences with no conjunction. Or remember conjunction? Fanboys. Or not, just fanboy. Whoops. Fanboy. There you go. Okay. Let's go to B over here. Now this is when it gets a little confusing. Again, these rules aren't definite, but I want to see you use them correctly here. Use a semicolon between independent clauses joined by such words as, for example, for instance, therefore, that is, besides, accordingly, moreover, nevertheless, furthermore, otherwise, however, consequently, instead, hence. Oh my gosh, those totally sound like transitions we use in our writing. That means you can use it. You can. Do you have to? No. But it makes you look really smart because you used a semicolon correctly. So it's like a smart person thing. Okay. So I'm going to put, for this rule, transitional words. And apparently I left the caps lock on, so I'm super excited. Okay. Transitional words. Okay. I would like you to write down this list of transitional words. They are the ones that we write in our essay. So, and again, see how that looks. Let's look at this example here. Jane showed me in many ways that she is still my friend. Oh, that's so nice. Semicolon, for example, she saved me a seat on the bus. Oh, that's like a little, concrete detail right there. How crazy. I totally understand it now. All right, number C over here is what we call the super comma. Super comma to the rescue. Woo! Okay, a super comma may be used to separate independent clauses of a compound sentence. So when there's two sentences, compound, if the commas within the clauses, and there might be some confusion. So for example, let's look over here. She will invite Elaine, Kim, and Stacy. There's one of the sentences. The other sentence is Val will ask Molly. Now it's kind of confusing with all these commas, and all these conjunctions. Where does one sentence end, one sentence begin? So if you look at this one, she will invite Elaine, Kim, and Stacy. Oh, here's my conjunction. Semicolon, Val will ask Molly. The only reason we use the semicolon there is because there's already so many commas. Another comma just makes it confusing. All right. Here we go. Oops, I spelled super comma wrong. I just realized. How rude. All right. And then here we go. Another one. A semicolon may be used to separate items in a series if there are commas within the item. So example, dates. Okay, yes, Josh, I know the comma doesn't go with the zip code. I understand. I'm so sorry I made a mistake. Okay, so, for example, Monday, May 4th, Tuesday, April 5th, and Wednesday, April 6th. I'm sorry, April 4th. That's really confusing. There's so many commas. So we would separate Monday, April 4th, semicolon here, Tuesday, April 5th. Okay, now let's go on to, C and D are kind of, there we go. Okay, now let's go on to the colon, just the dot. Okay. Colon's much easier, much shorter. A colon is used to mean note what follows. A colon should be used before a list of items, especially after phrases like such as and follow. So anytime you list something, okay, you will need the following things. And then you're going to list something. Okay, I have 3 extracurricular activities, and then a list of them. Here's the most important part. You better write this in capitals and underline it 13 times. Not 13, that's unlucky. 12. No, 11, that's my favorite number. The words in front of the colon make up a complete sentence. Complete sentence. I'm going to take these things. Complete sentence. I have these activities. Then you have the list. That's all I have for you. Peace out.